Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Doordash password. So first of all, you need to open your Doordash app. Then you need to click the profile icon on the top right or bottom right corner and go to your profile settings. So once you will go to this page, you need to click change password. And right here, you need to enter your old password and then you need to enter the new password, guys. But if you forgot an old password, don't worry, I have got a solution for you. So if you forgot your password, you need to log out from your account. Then you need to open your app again and on the login screen, you need to click forgot password. And after that, you need to enter your email address used for your Dasher account. Then click reset button and you will receive an email with the instruction from Doordash, guys, and there will be an option for password reset, guys. You need to click this link from this email and it will take you to the page where you can be able to recover your password and create a new one for your account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.